Just by looking into your eyes, they will know your emotions. They will know whatever feelings you feel towards them. They will know what you think about them. That is why they are referred to as witches in Africa. Hello, welcome to this episode of Real Freedom. Today, I want to talk about a special personality. I want to talk about people that have this special gift, spiritual gift. I see it, and most people see it as a spiritual gift. Even science see it as a spiritual gift. But many from our part of the world don't recognize this personality because there are already people circulating everywhere with gifts from different means. But there are people who are born with a special gift, the empaths. Empaths are people born with a gift, a spiritual gift. Yes, we call them spiritual empaths. In a way, they can use it in different way. People decide to become who they want to become with this gift or the way they want to use it. And most people don't even recognize the gift in them. For example, in Africa, such people are seen in a very different way. They see empaths as evil people, or they tag them witches. Evil. When somebody wake up or just tell you what they saw about you, you will think they are evil. For example, I know of a child who tell the mother who was crying, and the mother have to ask her, "Why are you crying?" And she said that a short woman is beating her. Who is the short woman? She was pointing to the direction of the mother, and the mother was then pregnant. So by the time this child was born and the child grow up, the child is a short girl, a short child. So even people that know this story, they call this girl a small woman or a short woman. So that child was able to see the kind of child the mother was carrying, or the child say things that make them to call her all sorts of names without anybody realizing that this was a gift from God. Right from birth, this child could see things, he could recognize things, he could just say something, and that something come to pass, like warning, or maybe a friend walk into their home, she can recognize them. It's a gift from God. It's a spiritual gift. So empaths are gifted people. God give them their gift. They brought those gifts from birth. Right from where they were born, they were able to recognize things like the light, and they were smarter. They want to walk. They do things. They do things more than other children. So every mother should be able to recognize such child that can talk. Sometimes they talk like an adult, though most time there are children they say that is their great grandfather that came back because of the way they behave. They talk like an adult. They see things, they say things because they study things, they think about things, they can imagine things that you think that this child is just imagining things. They can see who love them. For example, growing up, they will tell children not to take gifts, and some people still want to manipulate and give gift to children to take advantage, but such child will throw that gift away. They do things randomly, and those things are actually things that are important, and most times they are very accurate to things that they say. They say it and everything match. So those are special children born that way, that we need to recognize, we need to know about them, because most of us from Africa, some part, they kill such children. They tag their pastors or religious leaders, or some charlatans take advantage of such parents to destroy their children. And maybe they whatever they want to do with them, because they have to give a name negatively, so they are named witch. Her parents can imagine a scenario completely. The same way they can get revelations through their dreams, because they get information into their, even when they are sleeping, a complete event. And you will be wondering how they get this information. It's possible it's something that has happened before, or it's something that is going to happen. Most time, before they meet someone, they have had information about that person in their spirit. They got all the information that are necessary. And that is what helped them also to stay clear from certain people, especially people that are dangerous. So this may save this kind of personality to avoid a danger or a disaster or a calamity, because they are aware who that person is, even in their relationship. And parents don't get into a relationship just like that. Most time people think they don't know what they are doing when they make their choice, because they get the right information even before the day they have to make that decision. So it is difficult for people to understand. They make choices that people don't understand, because they don't choose by their eyes. They feel things. They can feel the people around them to be able to know who genuinely care for them or care about them. So it is difficult to deceive an empath. It is very difficult, because they know you, they know what you think, they know what you feel, they feel all your energy. They feel if it is negative or positive. And if you see this kind of people, they don't stay in a crowd. They like to be quiet. They like to be in a quiet place, a place that nobody disturbs them most of the time. And sometimes you may misunderstand their personality, because their mood can swing at any time. It's because of the energy they are receiving. So it's a blessing actually to be an empath. The same time is a burden. It's a burden, because when they drain the negative energy from negative or toxic people, is going to be a problem for them to recover again. So they prefer to stay away, stay quiet for a while to regain their energy before they can move again. And most time they avoid people